Does your local area call out a rigid head flash? Or should I say a drip cap? Because those are two different things, really. A lot of people look at drip cap being the same thing. Drip cap traditionally is a wood ornamental piece that goes above a window, and it still does the same, basically same thing as a rigid head flash, but it's a wood ornamental piece. A lot of historic comes out and they have a piece, a rigid head flash also. That's something like this. It's coil stock aluminum, bent to what your local code says, because depending on what area of the world you live in, they have different standards of what a rigid head flash should be. Some ask you to coil up the sides, not down the sides. So just know your local codes. You're going to apply that on top. You're going to put sealant behind it like you're supposed to. You're going to put sealant on the bottom of it like you're supposed to. You're going to apply it. And then after that, you're going to flash your window.